Today I'm going to show you how to see anyone's location on iPhone. So let's get into it. To get started, open your Find Me app, and here in this app you have to click on the people option at the bottom left corner. Here you will see the list of people who shared their location with you. And if you want to share your location with anyone, you have to click on the plus icon. Then you have to click on the share my location at the top. Here you have to search for the people to whom you want to share your location. Another method to keep the track of the location of any other person, go to Google Maps. For that person must share it with you. Another method to see the location of other person, you have to go to your mobile settings, and here you have to click on the general settings. After that you have to go to the privacy and settings option. Now click on the location services at the top. After that you have to scroll down and go to the option system services. Now here at this interface you have to click on the significant location option and you have to enable it. Once you enable it, it will pick the significant location of that person where they go often. But to see the location of the person, you must have their phone. Without their phone, you won't be able to see their location history. So that's how you can see anyone's location on iPhone.